What's up YouTube, Jeff back again, and today we've got another exciting and important Samsung update that's rolling out to the Galaxy Store. This is a particularly important update for those of you who use the vision enhancements in the accessibility settings on your Galaxy phones. The update's also for a very important app on your phone, which is the Clock app. I know a lot of people like myself use the Clock app that's built into the phone for alarms when you wake up in the morning. So we're going to talk about a couple of important and key changes and bug fixes that Samsung has made. Before I get into that, I do want to mention that my friends over at AliExpress are having a huge summer clearance sale with discounts up to 70% off. This is actually the page here for the summer clearance sale. It's running from July 18th at midnight, basically 000 Pacific Standard Time till the 27th at 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. There's a lot of really great tech deals here, and just scrolling through and showing you guys some of the great deals here. I want to highlight a couple of my favorite products here that they actually sent out to me that are going to be a part of the summer clearance sale. The first one is the Samsung Evo Plus memory card. This is the 64 gig variant, but they do have other variants as well if you need a little bit more storage. Now, I know the S22 Ultra, of course, does not have a micro SD slot, but there's still a lot of Samsung phones and tablets. And of course, if you have a camera, those are all going to use SD cards. This is a very, very high-speed card for a solid price, and the price is going to be even lower at clearance. There will also be some exclusive discount codes for my followers, either $5 off or $15 off. That depends on how much you spend. If you spend $50, you get 5 off. If you spend $150, I think you get 15 off. So that comment will be in the comments and also in the description below. And you can also see it here on the screen right up here somewhere. I'll put it in there after the video. The other product that I wanted to highlight for the AliExpress summer clearance sale is this guy right here. And I've actually been using the Basus Qualcomm Quick Charge 5 160 watt car charger in my car, my Audi Q5. This allows you to get much faster charging. I have built-in USB ports in my car, but if you want to add even faster charging, and you also get expanded ports because you got 2 USB-Cs and 1 USB-A port on this, this is also going to be available on the summer clearance sale. So like I said, the product price on these is going to be quite a bit lower for their summer clearance sale. Those exclusive discount codes, which you'll also find here on the screen right above the product page here as I'm talking about it. AliExpress summer clearance sale up to 70% off. You guys can check the links out in the pinned comment and description. Huge shout out to AliExpress for sending out both of these products for me to take a look at and also mention to you guys. I think you'll get quite a lot of value out of checking out some of the sales they're having right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get back into the video and talk about the Samsung Clock update that we had rolling out. If you go to the Galaxy Store, of course, it rolls out in stages, but I received this update on July 15th. So today I'm making this on the 16th. I just got it yesterday on my S22 Ultra. And you see here the two new features that are highlighted. The cancel and save buttons on the alarm editing screen have been improved so that they appear normally when using the highlight button feature in accessibility turned on. Other features and bug fixes have been improved. So basically, we know that if you're using accessibility services, this is going to be a big update for you. So I'll show you what they're talking about. If you go into the clock and choose the clock, and let's say you're going to tap on an alarm. This is my 6 a.m. alarm. Down here, you see the cancel and save buttons. Now, these appear normally in the previous version if you were using, just a standard display. But if you turn on the accessibility settings, so if you go into your settings, scroll down to where it says accessibility, tap on that. And then right here, the third option is called visibility enhancements. If you tap on visibility enhancements, there is this feature right here. It's actually the fourth one down called highlight buttons. And what this does, it gives you like a contrasty look on the buttons so that they're actually highlighted depending on if you're in dark mode, then they're highlighted with a light theme. If you're in light mode, they're highlighted with a dark theme. So you can see them a little bit better if you have vision problems. Now in the old version of the clock, these were actually completely invisible. You couldn't see them at all. I shouldn't say invisible. Invisible is the correct word, of course, in the previous version of the clock. But now it's not a problem. If you go back in and you check out the clock, and now you go in there, you can actually see the text on both of them. I don't have a phone running the old version, but if you had dark mode on and you had the accessibility option, then this would be completely black, so you wouldn't be able to read the text. And of course, if you've never seen this menu before, you might not know which one's cancel and which ones save, and that can present quite a huge problem. So this is obviously a really big welcome change for those of you who do have vision impairments and use this visibility enhancement inside the accessibility settings. There really aren't any other huge changes I've noticed. They've made some improvements to make it run smoother. They've also started to add support for the next version of Android that will be built for the foldables, which is One UI 4.1.1. The beta version, of course, is also going to be supported by a lot of these apps. But if you look in the Galaxy Store, a lot of them are starting to show, like in their source code, people have been doing some APK unpacks, and you can see that they are building in support for 4.1.1, which is Android 12L for the foldables. Again, that is kind of the full update. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was useful, especially for those of you who use the accessibility services. A huge shout out again to my friends at AliExpress for sending out the Basis charger, car charger, 160 watts, and the Evo Plus Samsung memory card. Both of these products are part of the AliExpress summer clearance sale. You can find those discount codes in the links in the description in the pinned comment. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon for future videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.